Tim from Your Six Stack. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen on your PlayStation 5. And this will allow your friends to watch, or they can take control of your screen as well. So we can press the PlayStation button, then go on down to Game Base. Then we want to start up a party. So let's go to Start Party. It can be open, it can close. So let's go to Start Close Party. And once we're in the party chat, we can go to Invite Players right here and invite our friends to it. Once we have them in the party chat with us, we want to go to the next option over, Start Share Screen, and we can choose this. And then people can start watching our screen from here. So they can go to our name and they can start watching. We just have to press this to stop, but this will allow us to just share what we're doing on our screen. They can watch, and we should have the option to allow them to take control of our PlayStation as well, so they can start playing as well for us. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Stack.